Morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. My name is Dr. Food, aka Mr. Food. I am in the middle of nowhere, somewhere in the streets of India, just trying to survive. Please, if today is your first time of seeing this video, I will appreciate it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn up your notification bell, comment, share this video. Why am I doing this? I have this vision and passion of tasting all the food here in India, all the food. I don't know how that will be possible, but I will just try. And I would like you to be part of this journey of mine by subscribing, commenting and sharing of this video anytime you come across it. Thank you. God bless you. Namaste. Namaskar. Obrigado. Eshegon. Mengwo. Dalo. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. I would like you to please subscribe, comment, share. God bless you. Nangode. Namaste. Namaskar.
Salam alaikum. Alaikum assalam.